Hi everyone, it's Muriel. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to come on and share with you guys a birthday card that I just completed. I just realized this evening that I have a friend whose birthday is today. We work at the same place, and I didn't have a card in my stash, which I realized that I have to kind of get stepping up on some birthday cards. I have lots of summer and all other things, but not a lot of birthday cards. So I went to the internet, YouTube, and I found a card, and I'll show it to you, based on this paper die cut sheet that I have with a couple of sheets of pattern paper. Like I said, just a few. A friend of mine who is a close to my heart demonstrator had sold me this pack, here we go, for $10. It just had a couple of sheets and that one sticker sheet like you saw. It's from Celebrate Today, from Close to My Heart. And she was selling some one time at a crop we went to. And I bought it because I love this sheet here with this large happy birthday, this beautiful birthday cake. It has some really pretty flowers and a couple of words: celebrate, let's party. So I went over to YouTube and I looked up Close to My Heart birthday cards, and I found a demonstrator. Her name is ERIN, and her YouTube channel is Crafty Concepts with ERIN, ERIN, and she has a tutorial for this birthday card. It's just a standard 4¼ by 5½ birthday card, and she shows you how to make it. So I thought I'd put it together really fast for my friend. I happen to have this sheet of paper, the confetti paper. I just used some pink border paper. It's just some 110-pound white cardstock. This cute stamp. I have to tell you about this stamp set. It was sent to me by Kim Possible. Hi, Kim. Hope you're doing well. And you can see the very large happy birthday right here with some other sentiment. Easter blessings. Hello. I miss you. For my friend, to you. So perfect. So thank you. This is the package that she gave it to me. And so thank you so much, Kim, because I was hoping I had a very large happy birthday. So I stamped that on a piece of white cardstock and cut it out with a stitched rectangle frame, excuse me, and just put some thread around the bottom of that. And I have it popped up on some foam adhesive. This is the 1" or yeah, 1 millimeter. And then I use the balloon sticker from the sticker sheet, as well as some of these stars. And then I just put some gems. I have these gems that I got a long time ago online. They come in every color imaginable, and the sizes vary from that little tiny one to these much larger ones. So that's the card. On the inside, I'm using my new stamp I just picked up recently at Hobby Lobby when it was on clearance, and then 2 of the flowers, and then I'll put her name. And then I took one of the sheets and made an envelope with it, so it's ready to go. So I quickly wanted to show you how simple it was to make this card. I have another one since I cut out 2 card bases that I would share with you. So the card base again is 5½ by 4¼ and of course the dimensions are on ERIN's website, the YouTube channel. Let me see, this got clogged that fast. Let's hope it can get unclogged. I love working with this tape, but I can't, this glue, but I can't find my little needle that goes inside the pin. It always gets lost, and then it gets clogged, and then I have to find it to open it back up. Let's see if this does it. I hope this does it. And we'll put this together really quick, and I won't keep you guys. I know it's Sunday night. We have have been out and about today. Me and my daughter, we had to go to the mall to find a blouse. We're going to a wedding in another 2 weeks, and I bought a really nice spring suit, and I needed a top to go in it, with it. So we did that today. We had lunch at a nice little restaurant. So we've been kind of out of the house a lot today. Oh my goodness, that's not gonna, I want to get this right so that the edges are all the same. Okay, and then I have my handy little roller that I like to use. So if you go over to, Crafty Concepts with ERIN, you'll find this card and you'll find the instructions, and she also has 2 other ones that she made. I didn't have those papers, so I didn't feel like learning those, but this one here was really easy to make, and I'm just so glad that I remembered that it was her birthday. She's really sweet. I think they're just coming back from Hawaii, because she sent me a video of the Dollar Tree in Hawaii, and not the Dollar Tree, a Target, and she said it was so packed of the bullseye spot was just full of stuff. She was so surprised and wished that she had bought a larger suitcase. So I have this banner here that I cut out from a rectangle die, and I did have to cut it a little shorter than what it was so that it would fit on the card. But again, her tutorial is on there, and I think I did this like this. It's really easy to follow, especially when you need to make a card real fast. So here is my other one. I put the string on the left side, just some beautiful lime light green twine, and I have some more of that foam underneath here. So let's get our glue down, and hopefully there'll be another birthday in the month of March where I could give the other person the other card. So I think this was like this, because this one here I'm going to use a cupcake, and it's quite large. So I thought, just to make sure that everything fits, do that like that. Okay. And then I have this this weighted weight thing. I don't know where I got it from, but I like to use it when I need to hold stuff down when the glue. So I also wanted to put some a word on top of that pink banner, and I thought I would put the word celebrate from this sticker sheet here. Just going to peel that off right there. Put a little glue behind it. It feels really sticky, but I've had this in my stash for some time, so just to make sure. So I want to stick that there. There we go, celebrate. Okay, then I've put some adhesive on the back of this cupcake. So we will have it raised on one side and not on the other, so that it'll stay, that it'll be leveled. So I'm just going to put a little glue like right there, and I'm going to pop that like so. Okay, and then let's hold her down. And then I'm going to use some of these. There's just a few. There's a star here, and a star there. Okay, that'll work. So I'm going to take these stars out, and we'll put one here. And then we will pop this orange one out. So let's see, let's get the pink one. it's like in the middle. We'll pop that one there. And then I think I'm going to use this blue one. There you go. And then just do the trifecta. Put that there. And then with my gems, I'm going to use a yellow one. I think I'll use a little bit bigger because the ones I've had on my other card were really tiny. So I'm going to put that one there, and then I need a blue one. So we'll pull this one here. And then a pink one. Okay, let me see if I can pull my can over here. Kind of keep them in this tin. Let's see, here is a pink one. Of course, I'm sure I have one that's already open, but nonetheless. And this is how they come. They're all individually packaged by color. So it makes it really nice. And if you're the type who, when you take stuff out, you put it right back, then you'll have no problem. I have a problem doing that. So there we go. Another birthday card with a beautiful large cupcake, the string, the word celebrate. So I hope you guys go over to her channel, Crafty Concepts by ERIN, and try this. It was less than 5 minutes. I mean, once you cut out all of the few pieces of paper, it's a really easy card to whip up, and you don't necessarily have to have this sticker sheet either. If you just have some, I recently saw some cupcakes at the Dollar Tree. I actually think I picked them up too. So you could use that kind of cupcake or a balloon sticker from the Dollar Tree. They have lots of stickers. You'll be able to, excuse me, you'll be able to make this card as well. So thank you guys for watching. I'm not meaning to bother you on this Sunday night, but I did want to show you those two cards there. So have a great day. Hopefully I'll be chatting with you guys and doing another video this week sometime. Have a great evening. Bye now.